how a keyboard works?
I press a key upon the board. A tiny signal moves forward,
Through the keyboard nice and fast.
starting a journey that won't last.
The keyboard says a key was pressed.
It sends a message with its best
The computer listens right away
and understands what I want to.
to say.
I press a key, beep beep go.
Where does that little signal go?
To the system, quick and bright,
Turning actions into sight. The US reads what key was pressed.
changes it into text with ease.
Then the letter appears on screen.
Just like magic, but not a dream. A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. The process stays the same.